10 surprising health benefits of ragi, which is also known as finger millets. Since ancient times, ragi or finger millet has been a part of Indian staple diet. Ragi can be used to make roti, dosa, puddings, idli, and ragi muddy, etc. It's a tasty, inexpensive, and healthy. Ragi has a rather impressive nutritional profile, encompassing all the essential macronutrients such as carbohydrates, fibers, fats, and proteins, along with noteworthy level of key micronutrients, vitamin and minerals. It has negligible level of cholesterol and sodium to promote heart wellness. In addition, ragi contains considerable quantities of vitamin C and E to boost immune, skin and hair health. The B complex vitamins thiamine, riboflavin, niacin and folic acid, as well as calcium, magnesium, iron and phosphorus are also found in ample amount in ragi flour, truly justifying its status as a wholesome breakfast cereal and a superfood. So let's look at some of the health benefit of this Indian superfood. Number 1. Strengthen bones. Ragi, when compared to other millet grains, is considered to be one of the best non-dairy sources of calcium, which is an essential mineral required to keep bones and teeth healthy and strong. Growing children should be given the grain to prevent osteoporosis under doctor's advice. Number 2. Manages diabetes. Ragi is known to treat diabetes mellitus, a chronic metabolic disorder characterized by hyperglycemia resulting from insufficient insulin secretion. Being a low glycemic index food, it helps in keeping your blood sugar levels stable. So diabetes patients who incorporate ragi into their daily diet have a low glycemic response. Number 3. Prevent obesity. The high dietary fiber content in ragi prevents you from overeating and keeps your stomach full for a longer period of time. It also contains the amino acid tryptophan, which functions as an appetite suppressant and is effective in losing weight. So substitute wheat and rice for ragi to prevent obesity. Number 4. Delays aging. The millet ragi work wonders for the skin by helping you maintain youthful skin, thanks to the amino acid like methionine and lysine, which makes the skin tissue less vulnerable to wrinkles and prevents sagging of skin. Eating ragi every day will keep premature aging at bay. Number 5. Provides energy. As ragi has good amount of carbohydrate, protein and unsaturated fat, it will help fuel your body and brain. Ragi can be eaten as pre-post workout food, or if you have been experiencing fatigue, a bowl of ragi will rev up your energy levels instantly. It also improves your athletic performance, helping you build an endurance level. Ragi is also known to help the body relax naturally due to tryptophan content, thus reducing anxiety, headache and depression. Number 6. Prevents chronic diseases. The polyphenol antioxidant in ragi helps in fighting the body against chronic disease and infections. The antioxidant prevents the healthy cell from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. These free radicals are known to trigger and alter lipid, protein and DNA, giving rise to a number of diseases including cancer, heart disease, etc. Number 7. Battles anemia. Ragi, being an excellent source of iron, is considered a great food for anemic patient and individual with low hemoglobin level. Hemoglobin is a protein present in red blood cell which is responsible for carrying oxygen throughout the body. In addition, this millet is good source of thiamine, which increase the production of red blood cells. Number 8. Good for lactating mothers. Breastfeeding mothers who consume ragi as a part of their daily diet will have increased production of breast milk. It enhances the milk production due to the presence of amino acid, calcium and iron, which are also beneficial for the child. Number 9. improves digestion. The dietary fiber content in ragi helps in proper digestion of food. It aids in the passing of food easily through the intestine, making it easier for food to digest. Fiber also aids in smooth bowel movement and prevent constipation or irregular stools. Number 10. Boost heart health. Ragi flour contains a good amount of magnesium and potassium. Magnesium helps to maintain a normal heart and nerve function, whereas potassium aids in proper functioning of the heart muscle and lower the risk of heart attack and strokes. On the other hand, the fiber content and amino acid threonine prevent the accumulation of fat in liver and lower the overall cholesterol in the body. Ways to include ragi in your diet. For breakfast, you can have ragi porridge, which is considered one of the best recipes for weight loss. Ragi flour is used to make ragi muddy balls, which is eaten with sambar or curry. You can have ragi in form of idli, roti, dosa and pakora as well. If you have a sweet tooth, you can prepare ragi laddus, ragi halwa and ragi cookies. Ayurvedic mention of ragi. The olden Ayurvedic scriptures praise the healing potential of ragi in successfully battling hypertension or high blood pressure, averting cancer, treating depression, and remedying liver disorders.